Want to send someone a group of files without making them install 7-zip first. A self-extracting archive can make that much easier. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a self-extracting executable with 7-zip. Choose your files, configure the extraction options, and test the finished file. So let's jump in. First, create a folder containing everything you want to package. This could be documents, images, software files, or a collection of project files. Keep the folder organized because everything inside it will become part of the archive. Right-click the folder and open the 7-zip menu, then choose Add to Archive. This opens the main archive settings where we'll create the compressed package. In the Add to Archive window, set the archive format to 7-zip. This gives us access to the options needed for a self-extracting archive. You can also adjust the compression level if you want a smaller file. Now look for the Create SFX archive option and enable it. SFX stands for self-extracting, which means the final archive will be an executable file that can start the extraction process without requiring 7-zip to be installed on the recipient's computer. For more control, click the Advanced tab and open SFX options. Here, you can choose things like the extraction path, whether to show a confirmation message, and what happens after extraction. You can leave these settings at their defaults if you just want a simple package. If you want the files to extract to a specific location, configure the extraction path in the SFX options. For a simple example, you can use a folder name or let the user choose where the files should go. Once your settings are ready, click OK to create the archive, then confirm the main Add to Archive window. 7-zip will compress the files and build the self-extracting executable. Depending on the amount of data, this can take a little time. Now test the finished executable on your own computer. Open the SFX file, check the extraction options, and start the extraction. The files should appear in the selected destination. Always test an SFX archive before sharing it. Remember, an SFX archive is an executable file, so recipients should only open one if they trust its source. For sensitive files, you can also configure encryption and use a strong password. And that's how to create a self-extracting archive with 7-zip. Package your files, enable Create SFX archive, configure the extraction options if needed, and test the final executable before sharing it. Pretty handy when you want simple, one-file distribution.